Hello, this is my 16th lecture on complex analysis for DSc mathematics students. I am Ms. Ranjana Datta from the Department of Mathematics, the Graduate School College for Women. Today we are going to study the complex mapping, the conformal mapping. Now, mapping or translation. Mapping or transformation. Now, if fx is a real valued function in a of a real variable x then the equation of the type y is equal to fx exhibits a correspondence between a point on x-axis and the point on the y-axis. We can exhibit the relationship y is equal to fx by means of a curve drawn on xy plane. First, we plot the various points xy corresponding to the point x on the x-axis and a point y on the y-axis. So, then we join the points by a smooth curve. But when fz is a complex valued function of a complex variable z, no such convenient graphical representation is available for w is equal to fz, because now we place a required to represent each of the complex variable w and z. Some information above the function can, however, be displaced by representing sets of corresponding points. Let z is equal to x plus iy and w is equal to u plus iv can be the two plane known as the z plane for x plus iy and w plane for u plus iv. The definition defining equation as u is equal to uxy and v is equal to vxy, corresponding to each point xy in the z plane in a domain of d and of function f, then exists a point ub in the w plane. Again, for any xy in the z plane in the domain d, and we apply the function f, there exists a point in the ub in the w plane. Definition: the the correspondence defined by equation 1 between the points in the z plane and the w plane is called the mapping or transformation of point in the z plane into points in the w plane, the function f. The corresponding set of the points in the two planes are called images of each other. They are called the images of each other. The equation 1 are called transformation. If to each point of z plane there correspond one and only one point in the w plane, then the correspondence say is the correspondence is 1 to 1 correspondence. Now, Jacobian transformation. Let W is equal to Fz, where U is equal to Uxy and V is equal to Vxy. Maps a closed region D into jet D of the jet plane into the closed region D dash of the W plane, and let delta Z and delta W represents the areas of these regions. Then delta W by delta Z, limit delta Z tends to, can be written as the Jacobian, which can be written as a modulus of delta of UB divided by delta of XY, which can be written as shown below. So, is called the Jacobian of transformation. But in particular, if fz may be analytic function, then the Cauchy-Riemann equation are satisfied. Then the transformation del u by del x can be written as del v by del y, and del v by del x can be written as minus del u by del x. And when we put this formula into these values in the formula, then we get del u by del x plus del I del u by del y, the whole square, modulus of that and whole square is equal to modulus of f dash z, the whole square. Now, consider one example. Consider the transformation W is equal to Z plus 1 minus I, and determine the region D dash of the W plane corresponding to the rectangular region D of the jet plane, bounded by the lines x equal to 0, y equal to 0, x equal to 1, and y equal to 2. The function in the W plane is W is equal to Z plus I, 1 minus I. So in place of Z, we can write 1 x plus iy. In place of Z, we write x plus iy. And then W is equal to U plus IV. So U plus IV is equal to x plus iy in place of Z plus 1 minus I, can be written as x plus 1 plus I y minus 1. So the real parts becomes x plus 1. So when the real and imaginary parts are equated, so we get u is equal to x plus 1 and v is equal to y minus 1. Then putting the value of x is equal to 0 and y equal to 0, x equal to 1 and y equal to 2, we get when x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, x equal to 1, we get u is equal to 1, v is equal to minus 1, u is equal to 2, and v is equal to 1. So in jet plane, we will draw the graph as x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, x equal to 1, and y equal to 1. So we get, drawing this graph, we get the shaded portion which is in the jet plane. And in the W plane, we are to calculate, for W plane, we are to calculate U and V. And we get U is equal to 1, V is equal to minus 1. So U in this W plane used serve as an x-axis and V serve as an y-axis. So if u is equal to 1, we can get a line at a distance u is equal to 1, that is similar as x-axis. V is equal to minus 1, we can draw the line. And then u is equal to 2 and v is equal to 1. So the portion given on x-axis is transferred in w-plane as shown in figure. Now, consider another example. Obtained the transformation w is equal to root of x square plus y square minus I into 1 and determine the region d dash of the w plane corresponding to the region d of the z plane given by the circular disk x square plus y square is less than or equal to 1. We know the x square plus y square when it is equal to 1. This is a circle whose center is at 0, 0 and radius is 1. So w is given u plus iv is equal to root of x square plus y square and minus iy. When the real and imaginary part are equated, we get u is equal to root of x square plus y square the whole square and v is equal to minus y. Hence the given region, hence the given transformation maps each point of the circle x square plus y square into the point line that is u is equal to 1 in the w plane. Now for all points z on the circle Z on the circle, y takes the values between -1 and +1 when we take our radius is equal to 1. So this values of y lies between -1 and 1. Thus the values of b becomes -1 and 1. So x square plus y square that is u is equal to 1. So we draw three lines. One is u is equal to 1, another is v is equal to u is equal to 1 and v is equal to minus u and v is equal to u. Combining this, as we know y is equal to x is a line passing passing through the origin and making an angle 45 degree. Similarly, in w plane, we draw a line v is equal to u because here the angle is 45 degree. Y is equal to x. Similar as v is equal to u, a line should be drawn on the w axis and v is equal to minus u. A line is drawn on the w plane. So the zone, closed zone or the feasible zone where the x square plus y square in jet plane can be transferred into the shaded portion shown on your screen. So today this much only. Thank you, students.